This contemporary rustic concept, designed on a 30 by 36 feet footprint, masterfully blends rough-cut natural stone and warm timber. Its low-pitched terracotta-tiled roof and extensive floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors establish a direct, uninterrupted connection to the lush, integrated tropical landscaping. The clean structural lines optimize the modest footprint while grounding the home in its natural context. The interior follows a consistent organic modern approach, marked by exposed wooden ceiling beams and a striking repetition of the exterior's textured stone walls across all spaces. Neutral tones and rich natural textures, from woven rattan pendants and linen upholstery to live-edge wood, create a tranquil and cohesive atmosphere throughout. Large windows and strategically placed open planning ensure every zone, from the gourmet kitchen to the sunlit master bath, feels spacious and connected to the garden view. House 2. Designed on a 33 by 43 feet footprint, house number 2 embodies a Zen-inspired harmony with its environment. The combination of a low-pitched terracotta roof and seamless wood cladding evokes warmth and groundedness. A levitating stone pathway across the reflection pool creates a mindful, tranquil arrival sequence, while expansive glass doors masterfully dissolve the boundaries between the living spaces and the lush outdoors. The interior functions as a tactile sanctuary of bespoke craftsmanship. The deliberate interplay between rough-hewn stone walls and flawless timber joinery brings an organic, earthy feel indoors. Every meticulously crafted detail, from the warmly illuminated pantry to the monolithic stone soaking tub, is designed to elevate daily routines, fostering a profound sense of peace and contemplation.